write the complex number in standard form. And so I'm assuming you want me to do the pink ones because those are the ones highlighted. So I'm going to do those three. We're going to have 4 plus the square root of negative 9, the square root of negative 75, and then negative 6i plus I squared. So let's start with the first one. Let's start 4 plus, now the square root of negative 9 is going to be, think of negative 9, that's 9 times negative 1, so it'll be 3i. That's in standard form. Our standard form is a plus bi. So now when we have negative square root of 75, then we're going to rewrite that as the square root of 25, the square root of negative 1, and then 3. So the square root of 25 is 5.